Seoul food or Korean food is napakasarap, no? Kasi it's filled with salty, umami, but it's also sweet. So hindi masyado malayo sa panlasa nating Pinoy. And I'm sure yun nga, may enjoy natin yung each recipe na gagawin natin today. We're gonna make Galbi Jjim. Halatang halata, it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be salty, it's gonna be umami, and it's also gonna be very beefy kasi palalambutin natin yung short ribs. And then we're gonna make mandu. Who doesn't like dumplings? So we're gonna make it crispy and soft and juicy inside. And then, ang hihintay natin na Chap Chae, yan yung noodles natin. We're gonna be using authentic potato starch noodles with a sweet tangy sauce and super tender beef that we're gonna put together, and it's gonna be so delicious. We actually did this class before, hands-on demo na live, and some of you weren't able to join. So we're doing it all over again just for you kasi napakasarap nga ng mga recipes and I don't want you to miss out on it. These are some of the recipes I make for my family, so I'm sure ma-enjoy ng family mo. Only here at the Bailiwick Academy.